TR Binary Options was originally called TradeRush. The address we have is Cheshire Capital Ltd, Cavell House, Stannard Place, Crispins Rd, Norwich, NR3 1YE in the UK. Now this is a Regus virtual office which is used by other binary options brokers, which are mailbox services that come with phone support and mail forwarding. It is fairly clear why dodgy binary options brokers want to use this service. The providers get their prestigious address, calls get forwarded to Tel Aviv or wherever, providing the smoke and mirrors disguising the fact that no TradeRush employees are actually located there, and by adopting any number of these offices on a global basis adds to the illusion that this is a big, credible organization. Furthermore, it provides the senior employees owners of these providers with the anonymity they need. I believe these guys are also behind redwoodoptions.com and magnumoptions.eu. All are based on the original spot option platform. So what we will say about TR Binary Options will apply to other brands too. What follows is an unbiased examination of the platform. Do not take this as a recommendation to use TR Binary Options. TR Binary Options, originally known as TradeRush, is a standard binary options broker based on the original spot option platform. The brokerage was launched in 2011 but aren't regulated, and this is a huge minus. We are told that the minimum deposit is $200 US, euros or Great British pounds, or 250 Canadian dollars or 280 Australian dollars. Accounts can be operated in the following currencies: US dollar, euro, Great British pound, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar or Australian dollar. The asset list is fairly extensive. Like most other spot option labels, there are over 150 indices, commodities, forex pairs and stocks. They will only give demo accounts to clients who deposit a minimum of $500, which is an enormous warning. Minimum trade on regular binary pairs and long-term options. The minimum trade is $10. On 60 seconds and ladder options, the minimum trade is $25. Mobile trading is also catered for with a dedicated iPhone and Android applications. TR Binary Options offer differentiated accounts. In other words, the more you deposit, the more benefits you will have. So let's have a look at some of these account packages. Levels start from a mini account requiring only $500 as an initial deposit, to starter, which is $1,000, silver, which is $5,000, which of course is recommended, all the way up to $25,000 for the platinum. Bigger deposits make you eligible to bigger bonuses and the services of an account manager. But if you're sensible, you don't want bonuses which prevent you from withdrawing, and neither do you want an account manager to help you lose money. When you first look at the provider's website, you see these big fancy graphics and images of oil barrels and currencies and a statement: trade forex, stocks, commodities and indices up to 81% return. This is a very catchy start, and knowing that a lot of providers offer 75% payouts. TR Binary Options offer a number of binary option types. We have binary options. The standard platform offers trading at its very simplest. All you have to do is decide whether the asset's value will go up or down, call or put. in the time frame of your choice. It really is very simple. From there we have the 60-second. Now this is a binary option trading with the shortest time frame you'll find online. Good for when there's a breaking market news and a strong reaction. Probably the most exciting way to pass a minute. Then from there we have long term. Long term options follow the same principle as standard binary options, but the expiry periods are longer. Expiry times can be from a week or two, or up to 9 or 12 months. These options favor traders who want to give their trades time for the fundamentals to have an effect. And from there we also have Onetouch. Here you must decide whether the asset value will hit the set target price or not. It isn't as simple as up or down, but the returns are up to 400% profit sure make it worth a shot. We also have pairs. Pairs, which are two asset classes, generally corporate stocks, but on occasion commodities or indices, will perform best. The pairs of assets will normally be related, for example, Google versus Amazon. We can't see that right now. Or gold versus silver. You can also trade two indices against the other, or a currency against a commodity. From there we also have ladder. In the ladder options, traders can select a financial asset and predict numerous strike points the asset might hit before the expiration time. This allows you the opportunity to benefit from the volatility of an asset as opposed to only receiving one fixed gain when it closes above or below one specific point. And then we also have spot follow. In the iFollow options, also called spot follow options, traders are also allowed to follow the most experienced binary options traders in the TR binary options platform to place trades. Traders are also able to see the rank, the trader win amount, the success rate, number of followers, and number of positions. If you would like to follow an experienced trader to place trades, you only need to select the follow period from 1 day to 1 year. Investment per trade from anything from $50 to $3,000, and investment limit from $50 to $3,000. And then finally we have Sfx and Cfds. TR Binary Options has recently added CFDs to its product page, but at the moment we are unable to trade those. Traders can also find additional features such as candlestick charts and strategy advisor. TR Binary Options now offers candlestick charts, which you can easily select by clicking that option right there. You can also take advantage of the charts to carry out a technical analysis when you trade binary options on the platform. As for the strategy advisor, it allows a trader to choose from 3 different analytical strategies, and you use them for further insight into the behavior of different financial assets. Here we can see the RSI advisor running, and it's telling us to place a put. TR Binary Options offers a fast and simple method of trading options. The trading area follows a familiar, clear layout with all the relevant information easily found. You can select the type of option available from the top of the trading platform. So for example, we have binary, pairs, long term, 60-second, Onetouch. And then below that, we can select the asset that we want to trade, whether that's the current hot assets, most popular ones that are sort of being traded right now, from currencies. Again, the most popular ones currently being traded, commodities, indices, and stocks. Currently we can only see the currencies, but it's a very similar window that relates to whichever form of trading that you're doing. The window is very similar regardless of which asset of which you're trading. At the right of the trading sort of platform, we can select the number of windows that we want to see. So we can have, like, this list that we have here, or we can have a much smaller list where we don't see any charts, but all we see are the trading buttons, to an even smaller simplified version to just one, with a bigger trading window and a bigger charting window as well, which is much better for analysis. The advantages really are that the central two options really offer the ability to monitor and trade more assets within one window. But this does mean collapsing the price graph and reducing each window considerably. This can leave the trading area a little crowded, but some traders kind of like that. Below the options, the assets come the detail, so the specific asset to be traded, the expiry time, the trade amount, all are amendable via a drop-down menu. As we can see here, we can enter the amount or we can change the time. Changing the trade amount updates the projected payout figure underneath. So if we say we go from $10 to $50, and then we have a potential payout of 90.50. Under the trade information bar is the main price graph. This can be changed to cover different time frames from 30 minutes to 12 hours. On the right of the graph is the key information. So we have call, current price, put, and so on. Now there has been some complaint regarding TR binary options. Repeated complaints of screen freezing and other glitches that affect trade outcomes. The web seems to be inundated by numerous unfavorable comments ranging from lost money, price manipulation, and misguided advice, etc. Although many of these remarks could be just put down to disgruntled traders venting their disappointment at trading losses, there is simply no fire without so much smoke. Customers have complained of bonuses being added to their account when they didn't ask for one. You should never touch bonuses. Why? Many binary providers require a rollover of 30 to 40 times the amount of your bonus plus your initial deposit. Some of them even within a limited time, so better avoid these bonuses. It's a honey trap, and that's just another sick technique by the broker to sift your money from your account. TradeRush staff have admitted to me that undesirable traders are individually targeted and can be handicapped with various levels of data throttling, or even blocked from logging in altogether. Support is unsatisfactory and ethical behavior is lacking, with managers calling you offering trade signals. Their sales team is ridiculous. Be warned, they will keep calling you. They can be very pushy and tell you things like, you must deposit X amount of money to take advantage of the next big thing. You just have to keep telling them no. Now, TR binary options have been in operation since 2011, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are a reliable broker. The company is not even yet regulated, and this raises more questions considering that they have been around since 2011, so they have plenty of time to seek regulation. Of major concern is that TradeRush does not provide optimum protection for its clients by holding their funds in a separate bank account from its own finances in accordance with international laws and regulations. This situation implies that client money is vulnerable should TradeRush experience any fiscal problems. Certainly there are lots of providers out there that can do an awful lot better. So to conclude, if you're into casino gambling and accept all the shady practices that come with it, or you just want some entertainment and will happily fund your account to pay for such, then go ahead and enjoy, as it can be fun. However, if you're a serious trader expecting your profits to reflect your market prediction skills, you're better off thinking again. The skills you need to profit from TR binary options or its associated brands, redwoodoptions.com and magnumoptions.eu, go far beyond trading skills. Consequently, it is impossible to take them seriously. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Thank you.